The strategy looks good on TradingView, positive net profit, and a decent win rate. But these numbers can't answer a more important question. Does this result come from a consistent edge or just a lucky backtest? Looking only at net profit, win rate, and max drawdown, it's easy to miss tail risk, strategy decay, and the impact of trade order. Pineify Backtest Report turns TradingView's trade data into a more complete strategy analysis report. It's simple to use. First, run your strategy in TradingView. Open the strategy tester below, go to List of Trades, and click the Export button. Download the CSV file of trade records. Then open Pineify and drag that CSV file into the analysis tool. You can also set initial capital and risk-free rate to make risk-adjusted metrics like Sharpe ratio better match your situation. Analysis runs entirely in the browser. The report first provides over 16 key metrics. Besides common profit and win rate, it includes Sharpe, Sortino, Kalmar, SQN, Ulcer Index, VAR, and CVAR. You can also view all trades, long trades, and short trades separately to quickly see where the edge really comes from. Single summary numbers can hide problems. The return distribution helps us observe skewness, volatility, and extreme losses. Rolling statistics continuously compute Sharpe, Sortino, and win rate over different periods. If these metrics keep declining, it may mean the edge is decaying or the market environment has changed. Next is the Monte Carlo stress test. Pineify runs 1,000 simulations on the trade sample, showing possible equity curves, extreme drawdowns, and ruin risk from different trade orders. The historical curve is just one path. Monte Carlo shows a range of outcomes the strategy might face. More samples make the analysis more meaningful. Heat maps help you spot performance differences across months, weekdays, and times of day. The MFE and MAE charts show each trade's maximum favorable and adverse excursion, useful for checking if take profit is too early or stop loss is too tight. But these charts offer clues, not standalone proof of cause and effect. If you want a quick summary, you can also run AI analysis for a strategy, score, risk level, strengths, weaknesses, and improvement suggestions. If you want to quickly summarize the results, you can also run AI analysis to view the strategy score, risk level, strengths, weaknesses, and improvement suggestions. The complete data can also be exported as an Excel file with multiple worksheets for further research, recording, or sharing. A profitable looking backtest isn't necessarily a robust strategy. Click the link in the video description to bring your TradingView backtest into Pineify and re-examine it from profit, risk, and stability angles. If you like Pineify's TradingView Backtest Analyzer, visit our website to learn more.